Oh, and it's coming up on the 8th also. So we almost had an 8 day. We got 1 and 7 is 8, 3 and 5 is 8. So, we got two eights on the screen. Shouts out to the turning your numbers into eights. So that way we might be getting some money one of these days. Shout out to the people that's hitting up to buy me a coffee. Because although we didn't go there earlier, we on our way out. So, and now that we on our way out, we got to stop by to buy me a coffee. So y'all know to hit your boy up. Spider Pig might not have nothing, but you know. Let's see. Edit. Nah, we gonna log out. Flip over. Log back in. Goo glaze. Y'all close your eyes. Y'all don't need to see no grown folk shit. uh, anyways. Oh, here we go. Buy me a coffee. Looks like we had $34 for the month still. Appreciate that. I know to go to the shop, get y'all them freebies. That infused banana pudding recipe is fire. Trust me. It is fire. Popcorn approved. But definitely get y'all them freebies. This says zero sold. We need to change that because that's a good one. Especially if you're in Missouri and want to get up on the cannabis micro business. Just get education on it because I went and got it for you. Put it in the video for you. There you go. Boom. And it's free. KC Grow Depot, same thing. I went to a free class and got y'all a free video. You see what I'm saying? Hey, I mean, some people couldn't be there, so hell, your boy was there for you. And it's still a freebie because, I only charge you for events that charge me. It's a smart way to do it. Most shit that's free is free. If you got to put in, you got to put in. Hey, ain't everything got a price tag, but, go get your freebies at least and max them all out. Pick up every freebie because I got a variety of them. Don't just get one. Go try to get them all. They like Pokemon. I got freebies for you. And then you might want to buy something because you see it's something you could actually use. That's how you build up trust, right? I give you some freebies that are useful, and then you might buy a product because you see I'm bringing something for you. But that's another story. Damn, like they say, it's December. You're supposed to be begging on YouTube. So if you don't show people that there's opportunities, you don't get nothing. Because hell, the people that's smart enough to ask usually can get things. Because that's what you call being courteous. Well, why didn't you just ask me, Billy? Well, I told y'all I had to buy me a coffee link, but ain't nobody hit the link. It's supposed to be Christmas. You're supposed to be giving me some gifts. And why not coffee? Shout out to buy me a coffee because y'all can get that motherfucker some gas.
Give it gas when I'm dipping competition, getting past, living fast, furious, staying on track, never worry when I'm spinning. Last better get in, back, ride from a dog, alphabeted on us, you gon' get it back, never split this pack. Whenever I witness cap, we ain't fucking with your fiction, facts, your conviction lacks. When I get up in my bag, I'ma spend, we ain't tripping off tax, clipping this tag, working on my wish list, cooking this cake, let me flip this stack, you a flash in the pan, while you relaxing, I can't, but team finna pack the sedan, putting tracks in the sand, pushing my craft at the fan, got the people all clapping their hands, putting cash in my brand, keeping my octane high, my graded premium, not 8-9 or 8-7, and when I run across state line, I'm 9-1, I gun it, clock great time on time.